Hey everyone, welcome to our 10 to 8 booking platform review. Want to try it out? Check the links below. 10 to 8 is a powerful scheduling tool perfect for businesses of any size. It's especially popular with service providers in healthcare, education, wellness, and professional services. We put it to the test, and here's what we found. 10 to 8 is incredibly simple and accessible. Setup is easy, with a user-friendly interface for customizing booking pages, adding your branding, and defining your services. Customers can book through your website, email, or even social media. Communication and automation are excellent. Automated reminders and notifications via email and SMS drastically reduce no-shows. Two-way messaging lets you connect with customers directly for rescheduling or questions. 10 to 8 integrates with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet for virtual appointments, ideal for remote services. Calendar sync with Outlook, Google Calendar, and others keeps you organized. Need to take payments? 10 to 8 integrates with PayPal and Stripe for payments or deposits directly through the system, securing bookings and minimizing cancellations. Detailed reporting and analytics track appointment trends, client behavior, and revenue to help improve your business. A key highlight is 10 to 8's accessibility features, making it inclusive for all businesses. Overall, 10 to 8 is a reliable, feature-rich booking platform designed for scheduling efficiency and a better customer experience. Whether you're running a small business or a large organization, it's worth checking out. Learn more and explore 10 to 8 further through the links in the description.